I'm super excited because we just were sent these glasses by TIJN to review, and it comes in a pack of 2. And I haven't tried them on yet, but I am super excited. So they are unisex and they are polarized, which is really, really cool. The fact that they come in a pack of 2 and they're polarized, that is pretty unheard of. So we're going to try these ones on here right off the bat. This is definitely my style. I like the big oversized sunglasses. They are super, super light. I cannot believe that these are polarized. Let's check them out. I love the way they feel. I love everything about them. I think it's really cool. It actually comes with a polarized tester right here. So, yep. So yeah, you can barely see this now, but then with the polarized lens, you can really see it nice and clear. That's just a way for you to know. So yes, definitely a fave right now. Let's check these ones out. These ones are a little bit smaller. And as I mentioned, I like the big ones, but same feel, same. You know what? I bet these ones will look awesome on my husband. Be right back. All right. And I was right. Look how good those look. Very nice. And we just want to show you the polarization. So as I mentioned, you cannot see the writing on this card here, but I'm going to take the sunglasses. I'm going to put it on here and boom, look at that. Just because these are polarized, that will protect your eyes. They feel good. They look great. Big fans.